Hi everyone, this is Aruna Arichami, Assistant Professor, Department of Information Technology, SNS College of Technology. In my lecture series today, we're going to see about the remaining operations in the MongoDB. So in my previous video, I'm going to detailedly explain about what do you mean by create operation, read and update operation. In this video, we're going to see about the detailed about the deletion operation. So before going to the thing, I have to ask one question, whether this is necessary in the real world entity. Yes, definitely it is necessary because if I want to do manipulation certain things, definitely I need the CURD operation. And also while doing the CURD operation, it must be very much very easier and friendly to the user. So that only I can able to easily connect with my API, and also it can be user friendly to the users. And also one more drawbacks in our NoSQL is that it does not support the ACID property. ACID nothing but the atomicity, consistency, isolation and durability. This is not supported in the MongoDB. If I go for this thing, I can go for the extra tool to provide this type of a security. So only a MongoDB is does not favorite app for the banking application, because banking all the data are the crucial data, all the data need the data integrity. So here it will provide only a less data integrity, but one major advantage it is a schema less. We doesn't spend more time for defining an architecture, because itself while entering the data itself recognize that particular data, it automatically assign the particular structure for that particular field or a data. So the next thing is a delete operation, how we can remove the data in my collection, because it is the manipulation if the particular person going to close the particular account in that particular bank. In this case, they have to remove that particular user account over there. Definitely, we need that delete operation. How the delete can be done means with the help of two methods. Here also you are having a delete one and delete many. If I want to delete a single record, I can go for delete one. If I want to delete the many record, I can go for delete many. Example for this thing is, if I want to delete the those who having belonging to the IT department, all the students I have to delete. Those are passing in the year of 2025. Based on these two things, I have to remove all the records. In this case, I couldn't able to delete one by one. I can go for the another method called as a delete many method. Through that, within a single query, I can remove all the data belonging to that particular condition. Second thing is delete one. Yes, if I want to delete the address of the single students or the phone number of that particular students or mail ID of that particular students, I can go for the delete one. So this is the how a removing a document or a data or a field in a collections. So what is the caution within the delete means there must have a performing a delete operation. Definitely it is not temporarily removed, it is permanently removed in that particular collection. So while deleting the data, definitely you have to check twice and remove the data. If it is unwanted only, you can able to remove, because it is deletes the common practice. We have to maintain a data integrity. That is, an integrity is nothing but wherever I am searching, my particular data must be in a consistent manner. For that only, your data is permanently removed in your particular record. Now, so for handling this thing, definitely we are having the error handling mechanism. So this error handling mechanism, it will ensure that the application behave as expected. So that is the how it can be executed. So where it could be done means while doing the delete operation, automatically error handling mechanism also it can be executed simultaneous with that particular query. So major thing is while doing the CURD operation, we have to keep in mind, we have to maintain the data integrity. And also concluding my data MongoDB CURD operation session. So in this case, we're going to see about the create, read, update and delete operation. So where it could be used means vitally it can be used for the effective data management. In that particular purpose, in that particular field only, we are going for a backend called as a MongoDB. MongoDB is one of the tool can be used under the backend. So for storing and retrieving the data. So best thing is over here is it is very robust for all type of an application, and also further it will have so many advantages, and the so many things are available. We can able to connect this thing with the Python also. By using a mongoose shell, I can able to connect this thing with the Python. So there is a more number of advantages are using the MongoDB, and also connectivity is very much easier. So that only people are more focused on the no, not only SQL. This is one of the tool available under the not only SQL. This is a documented oriented. This data can be stored along with the keys and values pairs. Like this only a data can be stored. Thank you for watching my video. In my next series, we're going to see about the case study where it could be used.